How's it going? Are you ready to go to the airport?
Yeah!
What about you, Cove? Are you ready to go to Florida?
Yeah!
Are you guys excited to get on the plane?
Yeah.
Okay, well we're about 5-6 minutes away from the airport. We're stopping at the bakery, picking up some breakfast before we go. Maybe a little snacks for the flight. Are you? Oh my!
Carousel.
Dude, you're gonna go on the carousel?
Yeah!
Yeah! Guess what? We landed in Denver. Okay, guys, we made it. I guess we only had an hour layover, and now our flight got delayed. So now we have a 2.5 hour. So we get to check out the Denver airport a little bit. Heard a bunch of stories. Are you excited, Jen? Okay. With the extra time, we were able to chill and get a coffee and wait for our flight to show up. Just got into Orlando. It's 1:30 in the morning right now. We're driving around looking for this Tesla. I think we found it. I think so. We don't even have a key. Let's see if it'll open up the trunk. Oh. Okay guys, so it's 2:30 in the morning. We made it into the hotel. It looks like they're remodeling it a little bit. We got some clips up. Are you guys tired?
Yeah.
Are you happy, baby? We're almost home? We're almost to the hotel?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
What's the key?
Are you grumpy? Grumpy puss? Are you guys grumpy?
Guys, wait for...
I know we're...
Let's check this bad boy out and see what we're working with. Ooh, not bad for $80 a night.
Oh, it's very spacious actually. About 10 minutes of charging.
Okay, so it's the next morning. We just tried charging the Tesla charger. It charged for 10 minutes and gave us like 12 miles. So not too great, but we're going to BJ's Brew House to grab some breakfast or lunch or whatever you want to call it. Is you ready to go check out a little Disney spot? We're gonna go check out a little Disney store so we can see if we can find some cool Disney clothes before we get there.
Okay. Yeah!
You guys want to do that?
Yeah!
Okay, we're gonna head there. What are you gonna get?
I don't know. Maybe a hat? It's really hot.
What about like some Minnie Mouse pasties?
Oh.
Clearance store over here in the Orlando Premium Outlet. The Disney warehouse, I mean. And we're gonna see what kind of stuff we could find to get our Disney swag before. Ooh.
I think it's PJs.
Incredibles?
$14.99.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're not gonna wear those there.
No, we're gonna find you guys water shoes.
Furniture. Got the Marvel backpacks for $15. So what was that? We took the preferred parking, so we got this front row. Premier parking. It was $60 instead of 30. Got us right in there. And we have our own separate entrance, so we don't have to wait in line with everybody. It's been about 5 minutes, and we already made it through security. We're almost there. Okay, quick stop, Starbucks. Do you guys want anything? No?
It's a little wet on here. You okay with that?
If you don't get a photo of the Universal Club, were you even really there? Universal.
Oh,
We got it right at the perfect time. We're going in, guys. Halloween Horror Nights. Despicable Me, Minion Mayhem. Let's get on here. Come on, guys, this way. Attraction entrance. So the first ride was about 8 minutes to get on. Looks like we're gonna have a walk-on.
Got exactly what they wanted.
I'm glad we hit this ride early. It was a really popular ride. When we came back through towards the middle of the day, it had an 1.5 hour wait. We'll show you a little bit of the ride, but we don't want to spoil it because they said that there was no cameras or photography allowed.
It doesn't ruin the day.
That's what they're, yeah.
I have some milkshakes motion sickness candy if you want it. It's like ginger candy. Yeah, you want some? Yeah.
Of all the rides we went on here, I'd have to say that this one was the least motion sickness ride. So if you are worried about all the disclaimers and you do have a weak stomach, I would say this is probably the best ride. Like the Simpson ride, that was a crazy ride.
Teddy bear.
Yeah, and no way will they shoot you with a fart gun.
Oh, no.
Hey, it smells like banana. Wow, it worked.
The Minion ride definitely made our stomachs drop a few times, but it was still a really fun ride. I definitely recommend it. It's not really scary at all. No wait time was also a super big plus, and then now we're gonna head over to ET and hop on that ride. It was a really slow-paced one. I liked Minions a lot better.
We ate lunch at Lombard Seafood. It took about 10 minutes to be seated, and the food was really good. The prices were also very decent. After lunch, we stopped to grab a picture with a hanging shark and then watch some street performers. Okay, you guys get in there. Are we all gonna fit underneath? Ready?
Here's what we do.
Hey, Caleb, go fast, go fast. Yeah. All right, man, come on, let's spring into it. All right, buddy. Come on, real hot girl. Come on. Let's do it. Hey, cardio. All right. Hey, stanky leg. Oh. So stanky, you know it. Slap it. Thank you.
There you go.
Let's see. Put them on. Let's see, Cove. Give me a big roar.
Go, rawr.
Roar. Oh, you gotta put it on your chin more. You gotta tighten it up on your chin.
Yeah,
I need to
you have to
tighten
tighten
mine up
everything
on
up.
my
It is just
chin.
all over the place.
Mama. Teleport Dada. Teleport
You're gonna teleport me?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Teleport to Mommy and Ryan. Teleport Ryan. Teleport. Teleport.
Don't wait in line for Fast and the Furious. It was a boring ride.
We're up. Driver, move that vehicle.
Going there early and going there late were our two big recommendations. You beat the heat and you beat the lines. So we took the kids home in the middle of the day so they could play in the pool, and then we came back at night and it was dead. Came back at 8 o'clock, an hour before they closed, and there was no one there. We were able to go run from ride to ride and get on all the rides that during the day had a crazy line.